And welcome back to Rock and Rattle Retreat, where we are building up. We're starting at the footers, which is this. That's the first pour we did on this project. And currently we're going to be doing the last pour, which is the north garage right there. So what we've done so far, we've taken down a lot of trees, cleared a lot of land, moved a lot of rocks, dug a lot of holes, footers, foundation walls, the south garage, the main house, the crawl spaces, and now we're going to do the north garage. That's that green part down there. So we need concrete trucks. We got 2 concrete trucks today. And we got to back them out and around everything. Missed the wellhead there on the right. And back. And he keeps going back. Gotta get into the garage. And we're also doing the basement steps, which is right there on the left side. They got most of it formed up. They're gonna form up one more step before they pour. We'll see that in the end. Not the forming, but the step. Alright. Looks like they got that thing backed all the way into the garage. It's right up to the edge. Got it all mixed up correctly with all the chemicals in it, and they start pouring. It's amazing how much chemicals they put in concrete. Lift up that rebar, get it above the foam. We got the pecs all down. There's rebar in there. Now I was told the rebar mainly in this is to keep the back wall tied to the main floor because there was so much fill back there and along that one side. So they put in a rebar mesh to tie that all together. There was a lot of overdig. And that back was dug way down because he kept pulling out boulders. Not just dug it down, boulders came out of there. Here we get a little peek of them actually working. Yeah, only 3 guys this time. Because we're only doing one garage here and those steps. And here goes the steps. Now they formed up that last step before they start pouring. And keep your fingers crossed that they have enough concrete in order to actually make this pour. Because we could only get 2 trucks up here and they put 8.5 yards on each truck. If they put 9 on it, it would flow out the back as they come up the mountain. At least one part of the mountain. As they place stuff on the landing down there and the first step. I said it was kind of hard to calculate concrete going in the basement, not the basement, the garages. And there, they're adding a little vibration to get the concrete to flow down in there better. Hard to calculate the garage one because of the foam. It has those little roundels on there to keep the pecs down. But they had enough concrete to do it all, and a little extra, and not much extra. Here we are power troweling. It's a little better view. So they did this several times, run this trowel over it. I mean, he's basically walking on it after a couple hours. Probably not even that. So the extra concrete is the little blocks that are in front of the bedroom there on the right side, just past the stairs. That's all the extra concrete they had. There's a few little blocks and 3 other, somewhat larger blocks. I did not get them cutting the expansion joints like you saw on the other flats. There's a grid on it. That's cut in expansion joints. So if it's going to crack, it's going to crack right there in those joints. It's control. There is the basement steps. That's that extra form step out there. These are all done now. You can walk up and down them. We got a 4-foot landing at the bottom with the drain. And there it is going up. It's just not going to be the exact thing that I was looking for, because I was expecting to put a set of old cellar type doors on top of this, but with that gap up there, can't do it. And here we have the overhead of all of the concrete being done. No more concrete to go. Gotta order stuff to put on for the floor joists, and then the SIPs going on. That's all got to be engineered and put together and ordered and delivered. So that's all we got for this time. Kind of short, really, but that's the last one. Thanks for watching. Keep track of us by subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one.